Hey everyone, this is Tim from YourSixStudios. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to make a custom GamerPic on your Xbox One. So let's go ahead and jump into the video right now. So do you want to make a custom GamerPic on your Xbox One and literally pick anything you want as your GamerPic? Well, in this video, I'm going to show you how to do that. The first thing we will need to do is open up Microsoft Edge. So I have it on my dashboard right here, the giant E. Let's go ahead and select that. So it's going to open up my web browser. Let's go to google.com. Then in the search bar, type in what you want. I'm going to type in Halo Infinite. Okay, now press the 3 lines, and it's going to go ahead and search for what you typed in. Now let's scroll over to Images. Alright, so I'm going to be searching for Halo Infinite pictures. Let's scroll through the pictures listings right now and see if we can find something that we like. Now on the bottom, I see an image that I want to use. Do not select this image to save as. You will actually want to select the image by pressing A, then loading the web page. Now if you see a link that says youtube.com, you won't be able to use that image because it's going to load a video, so be aware. So now scroll down to the image, go over it, and it's going to highlight the cursor with blue and it's going to show up as a finger. Now press the 3 lines on your controller. It's going to pop open this little side menu. Go down to Save Picture As. And you can rename your picture down here on the bottom left. And keep it as JPEG, then go to save. Now the next thing you'll want to do is resize the image. So go to resizeimage.net and it's going to pretty much resize the image for you. And to have a custom GamerPic on your Xbox One, you will actually have to resize the image to 1080 by 1080 for it to work. So we have to go to one of these image resizing websites. So let's go to Upload an image. Then go to your most recent, which will be this time clock looking icon. Select the image you just downloaded. Now go to Open. Scroll down. Keep everything normal here. And here's the image that you were looking at before. Go all the way down to resize your image. Then make sure this is on checkmark right here. Keep aspect ratio. Make sure it is on checkmark. Now go over to the box to the left here. Type in 1080. Press B. Move your cursor to the right to the next box. And type in 1080 again. Press B, get out of that box, scroll down, keep it as JPEG, and then go down to resize image. Right here on the bottom left. Then you're going to have an option to download the image. Let's go ahead and go to download image. And go to Save As. And let's rename the image so it just doesn't say resize image. And I'm just going to rename it Halo 3 because it's my 3rd Halo picture on my Xbox that I've downloaded. Press B, go over to save. And this will be saved to your downloads folder. If you look on the top, it says this device downloads. So let's go to save. Now press the Xbox button on your controller. Open up the guide menu. Go all the way to the left to your profile where it says sign in. Select your gamer tag. Then go to my profile. Press down on the D-pad. Go to customize profile. Then go over to change GamerPic. Press up on the D-pad, go to upload a custom image. Now go to Recent, the time clock again. Otherwise, you can search manually by going to the Downloads folder. Select the image you renamed, mine is Halo 3, and then you can zoom in and move around and move the image just a little bit here. Then go to Upload by selecting A on this. And once you upload, this will be your GamerPic. Now, if you get this message, something went wrong while uploading the image, try again later. There may be an issue with Microsoft servers, so you'll have to try again at another time. Now, I know they've been having issues related to bandwidth and restricting usage because of everything that was going on. So you may have to try again at some point in the future. So if this video did indeed help you out, go ahead and leave this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more Xbox One help videos coming up next on YourSixStudios.